Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Taryn. Oh, what's up, boo boo? What it do? I know it's been a long time since you've seen me, but I've been going through a lot, and this coronavirus is messing it up. So let's turn it around. Let's get some makeup on this face. Let's get cute for the day and fucking forget about our problems. All right, let's go. As per usual, we're going to start with my brows, but I just washed and moisturized my face. So I'm going to go put my primer in now. Give it a second to sit in while I'm doing my brows and my eyes. So then when I put on my foundation, it'll be all ready to go. Using my ColourPop eyebrow pencil, I'm going in with the shade Bangin' Brunette. And I'm just going to brush up my hairs. Then I'm going to draw a line under, above, fill it in. Y'all know how I do my brows. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I've come to realize that I have a red / neutral undertone, and if I use anything that's too yellow, it looks crazy on me. I'll show you guys a little example of that later on because I tried a new concealer, didn't work out. Heads up. But yeah, so this is the color Toffee, perfect for my skin tone and undertone. Here, all I'm doing is, highlighting under my eyebrows, drawing that line and pulling down the concealer and blending it out. To set my brows, I'm going to use this Arches and Halos Brow Gel. Now I'm going to use my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 4. For the palette I'm using today, I'm using the Jackie Aina X ABH palette. And the first color I'm going to go in with the big fluffy brush is my Supreme color. And it's that pink color. You guys seen it. But we're going to go in this and just put this all over our crease. On that same blending brush, we're going to go in with the color Pinker, and we're just going to go right under that color. On a smaller crease brush, we're going to go in with this purple color called Big Wig and rub that. Work that into the crease. So now I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm just going to work all three of those shades together. Make sure it's blending nicely because I am going to create a smoky eye. And smoky, you know, has to be blended properly, girl. So since I'm doing a smoky eye, I wanted to put a black base under this lid color I was going to use. So I went in with my, what is this? This is my Maybelline gel eyeliner in black. And I'm just putting some of this on my eyelid. It'll kind of make it tacky for my shadow to stick, and it makes the color pop up a lot better. So we're just going to rub a little bit on here, and then we're going to go in with the color Shookington, which is this beautiful purple shimmery color. It's gorgeous, girl. And that's going to be our lid color. Now that my top lids are set, I'm going to go in with mascara so I can apply some lashes. Okay, and this step is optional, but I went in with this color here. It is called Zam, just for a little added sparkle right in the middle of my shadow. Not very much, just a little something. I just added some glue to my lashes so I can apply those, and while those are getting tacky, I'm going to wipe all this fallout off my face. Now for foundation, we're just going to go in with my favorite. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and I'm in the shade NC50. Okay, so this is the part I was talking about earlier. I bought this new e.l.f. Camo Concealer, you know, and I really like the formulation of it, but look how yellow it is against my skin. It just is totally the wrong color. So, and I noticed this as I'm blending it out. So what I realized what I had to do was, you know, put my original LA Girl Pro Concealer on because I had to cover this color up. Here comes baby daddy with his damn coronavirus mask on. God. I thought he was so cool. Look at my face. I'm just like, move. Get out of here. And I was able to, you know, cover up that concealer color with no problem just using my concealer I usually go in with. And I just put it right on top. Blended it out as usual. Now to set with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, as usual. Now to contour with my, what is this, Black Radiance contour palette. Obviously I need a new one because I'm almost out. And this is actually one of my first items that I hit pan and used up all the product. Well, I haven't used the other colors, but this color, you know what I mean. And now I'm just going to highlight with this is my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Global Glow. So now I'm going to put on blush, and I couldn't decide which one I wanted to use, so I ended up going in with this. This is called NYX Sweet Cheeks in the shade Red Riot. And I'm glad I picked this one because it actually really complemented to the crease shadow color that I used. Then now I'm just going to do my under eyes because I've already set and concealed. So I'm going to go in with those two colors, the Pinker and Supreme. Now I'm taking Soleil from the palette for my inner corner highlight. And now it's time for me to set my face in place using my Morphe setting spray and of course my fan to make it all, dry faster. This is where I can now put on my lower mascara and then of course my lip products. Here I'm taking my ColourPop lip liner in BFF3, I believe, and I'm just lining my lips. And last but not least, I'm going to put on my Dose of Colors lip gloss in the shade Just Because to finish off this look. So guys, thank you for, watching the video this long. This is the final look. This is my purple, pink, smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, be sure to give me a good, big old nice thumbs up. Share this video with all your friends so we can all become friends. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Mwah! I love you. Bye.